everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Gracefully Tori, and I'm honestly super excited to have you on my channel. If you are here for the first time, hi, I'm Tori. It's so good to meet you. And if you are returning, hi, hey, I see you. Thank you so much for coming back. So today's video, well, the intention of today's video is to be super short and informative. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how I achieve my my legit almost every single day formalish, corporate-ish, put together, very short, low, sleek bun. I don't know how to properly construct the words, but I will properly construct them, obviously, in the topic box below. So yeah, this is a look that I wear all the time, and the moment that I found out that I could actually do it for myself and I don't really need to get a professional to get it done was amazing, life-changing. I tell you, it saved me so much money and it saved me so much time, because sometimes I can achieve this look in a hurry, in legit 5 minutes. So I really hope that you guys find this video informative and you like it and it's fun. I'm actually recording this video during my lunch break. That just shows you guys how short of a time it takes to record this video. Disclaimer before we start, I will sometimes be focusing my attention to the side of the room because this is where my mirror is, so I can see myself and see that I'm doing the right thing. So my hair is in this little turban because wow, it's a lot. So firstly, I'm just going to use my Afro comb. Tell me, what do you guys call an Afro comb in your language? Because that would be the picker, like it picks up the hair. But anyway, and then I have this comb I've had probably for about 10 years. I don't know, if not more. And this is what I used to sleek back the hair before I put anything on. So it's like it has like hard bristles. I don't know if you guys can see that, and it's a hair comb, so obviously it has hair on it. So I will then go into I will go into my hair, and I feel like I want to just push it down a bit, so I will go in with that baby girl just to sleek the hair out a bit at the bottom. Yes. And then I need to make sure that the undercut situation is also combed, so that when I do tie everything, we're also good to go in that department. Funnel, please order my steps. And then yeah, I use my ribbon to tie down my hair. And you will notice that there are probably going to be some hairs here. If you guys can see that actually they're flying. But what did I say? What did I say? Bobby pins are our friends. So here we go. That's how the hair is looking. And I will just sleek her down one more time, just for sleeking purposes. Get my Eco Styling Gel and get a bit out. And I don't know if everybody else does it this way, but I actually apply it on both my hands. Yeah, I'm that kind of girl. And just smooth it onto my hair. Yeah, I feel like that just does everything that it needs to do. This is where we start working with our bobby pins. Just to conceal my flying growing hair from my undercut. just tuck that in there. But you are still same thing there. And then I start playing around with this baby. Good. And I just honestly go around. And I usually make my earring. My first layer super tight. Yeah, just to also hold my pony in. And then if it does feel loose or it feels like something is bouncing off, bobby pins, baby girl, bobby pins. We literally are going to bobby pin everything down. The world is ever changing. I'm gonna take over. But you are still the same. Random question. People that have no appreciation for music, not people that sing. Like when you're doing your hair, when you're doing chores and stuff, what do you do, guys? Honestly, what do you do? Because okay, maybe usually I sing or listen to a podcast or play music, which I can't now because of copyright. Yeah, here we go. I like starting at the bottom. I don't know why. And then I will just feel and go around. Sometimes I might need to add a pin before I'm actually even done. And I don't know if you guys can see, but I will add the pin and then push it in. Obviously don't hurt yourself. But I think for me, going to boarding school and just going to boarding school and being in a girls' school, just taught me a lot about, or maybe like an immature hairdresser, basically. And then, okay, we're looking kind of good this side. I can't see. Okay, we're looking kind of good. I think I'm gonna take my last 3 strands. I'm going to leave these behind. The world is ever changing. The world is ever changing. But you are still the same. I'm gonna go on the top. Yeah. Because the girl is just always singing. My goodness. Okay. Here we go. And I think what also, I love buns, but I think why also is because I did ballet as a little girl, and you know how ballerinas always look sleeked, or is it sleeked or sleek? Always looks sleek, my goodness. Always looks sleek and put together. And I think that is where my relationship with buns started, and I've always just liked them since then. And I think because like forehead gang, I've always felt like a pulled back look, if I can call it that, really just accentuate the face and everything. Yeah, so I think I'm pretty happy. Please note, I am not a professional hairstylist. I just like playing around with hair sometimes. Honestly, I think I'm happy with this look. I feel like you're pretty cute. And in most cases, I would leave, or I'd be done here. And sometimes I will sleek out my edges, like I said, just to give them that look. Actually, let's do that. One thing I discovered about edges and doing my edges is that there's a particular rhythm, like in your wrist, that you can achieve if you really want to do like baby hairs. And once you get that rhythm, my goodness, it's just the best thing ever. So yeah, I don't think I want baby hairs, but I do want to sleek out um the edges a bit. So I'm going to get the XO Plus and my H styling brush. I think I actually got this on AliExpress, guys. Last year. It cost like honestly like $1, I think, and it's just been the best. It's just been the best thing ever. Like I said, I'm not baby hairing, but I'm just sleeking down those girls. Yeah, just. And I think one thing I really appreciate about this styler in particular, or this gel, is like how it really just the hold. That's what I'm trying to say. I really appreciate the hold that she does have. It's proper, and it really just it's the girl that it says it is, basically. The world is ever changing, but you are trying to see if you water my steps, I'll praise your name. Water. One thing I really love about this look, in closing, is the fact that I can rock no makeup but still look put together, if I can call it that, just because of how the hair comes out. It really just, I feel like, how do you say, cleans me out, and yeah, gives me that put together look. So there we go, guys. We are practically done, and I can get back to work now. And if I have like a surprise Teams meeting where my face needs to be shown, or I need to quickly maybe go out and get some essentials, we're good. We are ready. We are ready. So I really hope that this was informative for you. I know personally your face, and it was relaxing to watch or whatever for you. But please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who will listen. And if there are any other video suggestions that you would like me to do or touch on, hey, the comment section is always open for you to drop your comment there. Till we meet again next time, stay blessed and stay safe. Bye.